How you living? How you feeling? Versatile squad, y'all. Man, it's been a long time coming. I told y'all what I was gonna do, and now the time has finally come. Man, don't it feel good? Sheesh. You see that big box behind me, man. Y'all gonna have to excuse the mess a little bit. As you can see, I couldn't wait for y'all, man. I'm sorry, I couldn't wait. Let's go ahead and get that thing out of there. Sheesh. Don't this thing look pretty, man? Hold on, we gotta shine some light on it, cause hey, are you under the influence? Hey, what's going on? No, I'm talking about. Why is there so much shine over there? Oh my god, y'all, we finally got the Torqstorm Supercharger, man. Billet aluminum supercharger, man. Got a 75 millimeter 3-inch outlet and a 3.5 inlet on the back side of that. Man, look at this pulley. We got a 3.5 8 rib, y'all. With this setup, we should be looking about like 5 pounds of boost. Man, before we get into this beautiful supercharger, let's give a huge shout out to 797 Performance. Look at this nice t-shirt they provided your boy, man. They gave me a partial sponsorship, man. They got anything from superchargers to nice apparels, not just for Mopar too. They got Ford, GM, LT, LS engines, man. Whatever you need for Jeeps, I'm talking about anything, man. Not just performance mods. They got fluid additives, you know, you need to tune up. They got spark plugs for you. Make sure y'all get at them, man. You can wear this shirt with dang near anything, man. It'll look nice. And huge shout out to that guy Nick, man. He actually runs their social media page. And man, I ordered this thing about 3 weeks ago. It said a 4-week lead time before it even ships. I got this thing in 3 weeks. They finished it, put it together in about 2.5 weeks it took. And then that 3rd week it shipped out. And I got it in like 2 to 3 days, man. Then I also got a Hellwing sway bar, you know, to help with some of this wheel hop that I'm gonna get, or I've been getting since it's cam. And that thing arrived dang near next day, I believe. I was like, man, I just ordered this last night. So they have some pretty fast shipping, man. Great customer service, man. If you ever need anything, make sure y'all hit them up on Instagram or online. It's gonna pop up right here, 797 Performance, man. Make sure y'all go check them out. Link in the description below. Like I was saying, y'all, with this 8 rib 3.5 millimeter pulley, we should be looking at about 5 pounds of boost, maybe 7. I'm thinking about trying to get this outlet ported so we can try to squeeze a little bit, maybe 7, 8 pounds of boost out of this 3.5 pulley, man. If not, they do have different size pulleys. Also, I'd like to mention Torqstorm Superchargers come standard with the 8 rib pulley, y'all. I didn't get no upgrades. This is what all comes in the 5.7 Hemi kit for your Ram 1500, man. 4th gen Ram 1500. This comes with everything, man. So let's go ahead and get straight into the meat and potatoes of it, man. We got our hardware kit. This is where all your nuts and bolts. So when you get your kit, you're gonna want to go through this checklist. As you can see here, I checked everything off, man. We're all human. They make errors. We can make errors. So you just want to go ahead, check this checklist, y'all. Make sure you got everything. If not, get in touch with Torqstorm, and they can get you your missing pieces or whatever you got. So here's all the hardware, your spacers, your nuts, your bolts, everything for the supercharger, or ARP, man. ARP. Got this nice little Torqstorm ruler. I guess you can measure the drill bit when you got to pin the crank. Got your different size holes right there. Speaking of pinning the crank, there's your crankshaft pin kit right there. And here you get your guide, you know, for the drill. Then you got your crankshaft pin. Also comes with a supplied drill bit, man. So you can have no problem drilling into the crank. And then there's your pins right there. Then I don't know what happened to K&M, man. Y'all must have fell off. K&M must have fell off. We got a nice S&B cone filter. I believe it's like a 4-inch cone filter from S&B. I don't know what happened to K&M, man, but they must have fell off because S&B coming in these kits now. And let's go ahead and continue on with this unboxing, man. We also got, this is a water outlet for your thermostat. If you don't already have the metal housing, mine came with it. I have a 2015, so mine already has this metal thermostat housing, but the older models do not come with this one. But you know, it's good that it comes with it. You can replace the OEM style that's a little bit corroded. I have last time I changed the thermostat, I did notice a little bit of like corrosion inside the thermostat. They can get into your what you call it, your coolant lines, man, and contaminate your coolant, your new coolant. So probably might as well go ahead and replace that, even though we already have it. Then we have this nice T. If you have a thermostatically controlled coolant system for your transmission, you're going to use this to get one of the hoses out the way for the pulley. Next, and here's this supply line that ties into the T. Let's go ahead and keep moving along, man. We got some bolts and clamps and a vacuum line. It looks like probably for the for one of the bombs, one of the sensors. Let's see what we got in here. Ooh. Ouch. Got this nice. Look at the shine on this stuff, man. This is just a idler pulley, I believe. Nice little idler pulley. Then we have the dampener pulley that's going to go in front of your ATI dampener pulley. That's for, if I can get it open. Sheesh. This is going to drive your Torqstorm Supercharger, man. This is where your factory belt is going to sit, right here on the inner. And then the outer is going to be where your Torqstorm Supercharger is getting powered by your engine. Again, 8-rib kit, man. Most problems with the superchargers, belt slippage, right? Torqstorm said, hey man, right out the bat, we're going to get rid of that. We cheaper. We ain't going to cheap out on y'all. So don't think just because Torqstorm on a little bit of the cheap end for the price that you're not getting quality made material, man. This is natural billet, man, aluminum. Made out of solid blocks of aluminum, man. Look at this. This is the head unit holder, the head unit bracket. So the supercharger is gonna sit right there. I'm actually gonna get this painted black, man, because I seen Cletus McFarlane actually had one painted black. I do believe it was him. And man, the bracket looks so good black because it took the attention off of the hardware. It took all the attention and put it, boom, at the main focus of the Torqstorm Supercharger. And with that being said, I'm actually doing black piping. I want it to be a little bit of a sleeper build, you know. You're going to notice this, of course, once you open the engine. Let's not get too far off topic, though, y'all. Let's go ahead and get back into the unboxing of this video. We got the blow-off valve bong right here that you can weld onto your pipe. So you got some 3-inch pipe. Go like that. Map it out, you know what I'm saying? Trace it. Take it to your welder. Cut it out. You can go ahead and weld your bong on there. For these diameter spacers and everything right here, these are going to be all these right here. And then these are your bongs, the threaded ones that look like spacers. Those are actually your bongs. for your MPT, your MPT 1/8, and then 1/4 bone for your either you're going to go meth injection, and then this is for your IAT sensor, and then you can either do, like I was saying, meth injection or intercooled. For me, I'm actually going intercooler, man, for now. We got an air-to-air CX Racing Fox body intercooler, man, that surprisingly, man, looks just like, looks too identical. It's crazy. Looks so identical to this Torqstorm Supercharger intercooler that they have for the truck. This thing, I believe, is like $600-700. This half that, $300. You know what I'm talking about? And it's for a Fox body, and they got real good ratings, man, and readings for controlling your boost temps. Because, you know, with this picking up so much air, breathing it in with the fan, basically, it's going to get hot. That's hot air. So that hot air comes in through here, goes out through here, through the top part. I actually already got the brackets and everything made. That's the only bad part about this. You are going to have to drill into your factory frame and put some holes in it, you know, get some pieces of aluminum and mount this thing up. It's not too hard, trust me. It's not too hard. That's $300. You can get this piping kit for about $100. That's a little bit more of the extra stuff, miscellaneous stuff, you know, that you have to get that they don't include in the kit. But if you don't want to go intercooler, you can go meth. Meth is just as good, and they're about the same price range, but with this you don't have to keep filling it up. But I actually, after doing more research, man, I actually plan on going meth plus the intercooler, so we're gonna be able to get a little bit more power out of it. And with meth, it's actually a octane booster, man, and it's gonna keep the engine cool while boosting your fuel. So it's kind of like the best of both worlds. If you ask me, I don't see how you can go wrong with that, man. I don't know why they don't include a meth injection kit from the factory, because the way these Mopars run hot as heck, you damn near need it. You damn near need it. I was talking with my brother J.I. Productions, man. If you haven't already, make sure y'all go check him out. It's gonna pop up right here. Well, man, these Hemis run hot, just like these Euro cars for some reason. So if you don't have a high pressure fuel pump, you're gonna need something extra to keep this thing real cool. Hey, why not add an intercooler? I don't know, man. Beats me, you know, pricing, maintenance. They want you to come back for that money. But I'm getting carried away, man, again. Like I was saying, though, these are all your spaces and everything. Let's go ahead and get into the other beautiful piece of this build. This beautiful Torqstorm. See if we can get a, there she go. Torqstorm blow-off valve, baby. Got that natural billet finish, and the logo comes like this if you want to hang it upside down, or if you're going this way, boom. So you can hang it either way and have that logo showing, man. Let's go ahead and keep on rolling through this unboxing. Oh, I can't wait to get this installed, bro. This is like a a surreal moment for me. Probably gonna get these spacers painted as well, coated, you know. Might leave them. This is gonna be your supercharger belt. Get a heavy duty Dayco belt, man. Also get a Dayco pulley. As you can see, it's not installed on the bracket. That is because you will have to uninstall it just to put the bracket on. So I'm glad they didn't leave it installed for me. And these are actually different mounting points if you decide to get a smaller pulley from them, smaller lower pulley, you have different mounting points for your tensioner. So each of these will keep a certain amount of tension on your belt for you. Let's keep on going, man. Keep on going. Next, got a big crankshaft bolt. Got that for the ATI Super Dampener, man. This is the 15% underdrive. Pulley, man. With this, boom, you get your head unit. Some nice ATI dampener stickers. And then you get one of your pulleys. And then under that, here's the dampener, man. This is a fluid dampener, harmonic balancer. It's supposed to be a lot better than your factory one. Even if you don't, even if you're not even doing this, man, even if you don't plan on doing this kit for nothing, this right here alone will reduce wear and tear on your engine, man, with the 15% underdrive. Man, I'm kind of lost for words right now, cause man, I didn't think I would be supercharging this soon, and for this to be happening right now, man, God is good. I ain't even putting the box back in correctly. I just can't wait to get this thing installed, man. Hear that supercharger whining. Hear that blow off valve hissing. Know what I'm talking about? And hear that truck roaring. Man. Oh, and before I let y'all go, man, when I was going through these instructions showing y'all the intercooler, I hope y'all noticed. This is a pictured instruction manual, man. It's hard to F it up. It's hard to F it up, man. Everything you need is on here. And guess what? If it's not, you can hit them up directly and get some tips and tricks from them, man. Man, y'all let me know in the comment section down below. How much horsepower do y'all think I'm gonna be pushing after this? We got a Tomahawk 2.0 cam. So we about to be cam and boosted. 2 power outers now. Got long tube headers, 2-inch. Told y'all I was prepping it for this. I'm doing everything, man. I'm setting the roadmap and I'm following it, man. And I appreciate everyone who's sticking with me, following the journey, man. Cause this right here is finna be monumental, man. It's only up from here. We finna go crazy, man. I really appreciate y'all, man. If y'all like this video, make sure I give it a big thumbs up, man. Again, just can't wait to get all these parts on the truck. And we no longer looking at a flooded workbench. We looking at a monster roaring at us. You know what I'm talking about? Well, man, that's going to be it for this one. Y'all remember, stay versatile. Treat each of that like it's y'all Friday, man. And go ahead and like it's y'all last. We out.